Hey Tom, it's Dusty over here at German Auto Center. I just want to show you the first thing we found in our diagnostics. This is what I was assuming was what was going on with this thing. We have a fuel pressure tester hooked up to the car right now. This is a gauge. It's setting at 0 at this moment, and it's tapped into the fuel pressure rail. Kyle, you want to start the car real quick? As he starts it, go ahead and turn it on. Foot on the brake. Running, it's at 55. Go ahead and shut it down. Once he takes the key out, it's supposed to maintain fuel pressure in the rail. And what it's doing is actually bleeding back into the tank. The next step in this is there's actually 2 fuel pumps in this car. Each operate individually and separate from each other. So we got to figure out which one of those fuel pumps has a bad check valve in it, and that should resolve the starting issue. Because yeah, this will cause a delay start because it's got to build fuel pressure back up to get these injectors working, so they get some fuel to the motor. That's about it there, Tom. We're gonna go from there and see what's going on, but that's what we found. Hope this was informative, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.